Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to backup and restore data on this device. Simply go to settings. First of all, you need to log into your Samsung account. Okay. Then go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option general management. Tap on this one. Now scroll down. Tap on the option reset. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option temporary cloud backup. Tap on this one. Now you can see backup and restore with the Samsung Cloud. Then select the option backup data. Now just wait for a few seconds. It will take a little bit of time. Tap on the option continue. Just wait for a few seconds. So here you can see select data to backup. You can see 10 options are there. You can see secure and folder, calls and contact, messages, apps, home screen, settings and permissions, images, videos, audios, documents and files. So according to your choice, you can select the option that you need to take the backup. So from here simply I am going to select the option calls and contact. Then select this one and tap on the option backup. You can say it is 563 KB. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see backing up data, calls and contact. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now you can see it is done. Tap on done. Now let me show you how to restore the data that we took the backup. So simply go to settings. Then tap on the option general management. Tap on a reset. Tap on a temporary cloud backup, the same step. Then here you can see the option restore data. Tap on the option restore data. Tap on restore data. Then you have to select the option that you want to restore. Tap on restore data. Now just wait for a few seconds. It will take a little bit of time. You can see organizing your data. The next step, you can see all data restored. Tap on done. That's it. So simply in this way we can take the backup and restore data on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.